Stop wasting precious minutes endlessly scrolling through files or searching for where a function is defined. Your integrated development environment, your IDE, is so much more than a fancy text editor. It has hidden superpowers specifically designed for navigating massive codebases. Learn to use them, and you'll instantly jump to exactly what you need every single time. Let's be honest, large codebases can feel like an absolute maze. You pull down a new project or even an old one you haven't touched in a while, and suddenly you're lost. Wasting time trying to locate files, understand who's calling what, or decipher complex function definitions isn't just annoying. It actively slows down your development, crushes your comprehension, and makes you dread diving into unfamiliar territory. This inefficiency costs you time and mental energy. But here's the game changer. Your IDE has built-in tools that turn that maze into a map. Let me show you some essentials using VS Code as an example, but these exist in almost every modern IDE. First up, go to definition. Just hit F12 on a function, a variable, or a class, and boom! You're instantly transported to where it's declared. No more guessing, no more searching. Even better, find all references. Often Shift plus F12 or right-click. This shows you every single place that piece of code is being used. This is invaluable for understanding impact, especially before refactoring. Need to see who implements an interface? There's often a go to implementation for that too. And for getting around files quickly, don't forget go to file, Ctrl+P or CMD+P. Just start typing the file name and it instantly filters, letting you jump straight there. These aren't just shortcuts. They help you build a real-time mental map of your codebase, understanding connections and dependencies at the speed of thought. The benefits of mastering these basic navigation features are immense. You'll drastically speed up your code comprehension, making it feel less like deciphering hieroglyphs and more like reading a well-written book. Refactoring becomes safer because you instantly know the impact of your changes. It significantly reduces cognitive load, freeing up your brain power for problem solving instead of searching. Ultimately, it makes you a faster, more confident, and vastly more efficient developer. Use this to save time, impress your team, and level up your career. Here's your sticky takeaway. Your IDE is more than just a text editor. Unlock its navigation prowess, and you'll never get lost in code again. If you found these IDE tricks helpful, hit that like button, share it with a fellow developer who's still scrolling, and subscribe for more actionable tech workflows. What's your favorite IDE navigation trick? Let me know in the comments below. And next time, we're diving into debug smarter, not harder. Advanced logging techniques. You won't want to miss it.